Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to install your lace closure wig, and for this you'll be needing a few stuff like your wig cap, your got to be extreme free spray, mousse, your hot comb, a regular comb, some scissors, something to hold your hair, a band or a clip, a headscarf, and some concealer. So first you have to ensure that your hair is extremely flat. I previously washed mine, blow dried it, ran my hot comb through it, pulled it to the back in a ponytail, and made a small bun, as I'm showing you guys now. And yeah, it's ready for the wig cap. So now I'm just applying my wig cap to make my hair even flatter underneath the wig. And right now I'm just tucking away any excess hair, just to ensure that all my hair is underneath the wig cap, nice and tucked away. Now it's time to put on the wig. This wig is a lace closure wig. It's very nice, very silky and soft. And it was pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do any plucking, luckily. And the texture of the hair, I think, is Vietnamese straight. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Vietnamese straight. So now I'm just going to put on the wig. Wow, this hairline, guys, is everything. It's so pretty, it's so natural. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm just pulling the excess hair to the back right now so that I have room to work with the closure. And that's where the headband comes in. Well, the hairband. I'm going to take my scissors and carefully cut the lace, but before I am measuring to see that the lace is exactly where I want it to be on my forehead. Now I'm just going ahead and cutting the lace, starting from one side to the other. And here's a close-up on how I cut my lace. I don't just go across in one straight line. I kind of do a up, down, curly, zigzag type kind of motion, but it's very self-explanatory, so you guys can see what I'm doing right now. So now my lace is off, and I have to say this looks pretty good already. I could wear this wig just like this, no glue, no free spray, nothing at all. Just style it and go. But we're going to apply our free spray now, and I'm just applying a little to the front of the lace right at the edge, and I'm just tapping it in a little with my fingers and the comb. I'm about to do the same thing on the opposite side. Tapping it in, comb it in. Okay, that looks good. Now it's time to wrap it, but before that I'm going to give it one more layer of free spray just for a little extra hold, and then now I'm going to wrap it tight down, nice and tight. This is just going to help to melt that lace closure even more and give a more natural look. And that's what we want. Okay, so we're all tied up, and now we have to wait 5 minutes, and it's now 5 minutes. So now we remove the scarf and we're going to see the magic. Wow, look at that hairline. Amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Going to brush the hair out now. Time to, see what it can do. All right. Love it, love it. Love it. And this hair is so soft, guys. I can't say it enough. Now I'm just fixing the parts, making it a little bit more defined. Be careful with the hot comb, guys. And then I'm just gonna run the hot comb right through the entire wig very quickly, nothing long, because this wig definitely didn't need to be straightened or any of that. Now we're gonna go in with our concealer and define that part even more. Now y'all see what I'm talking about. Way more defined. Sharp, neat, clean, natural. That's what we're looking for. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Just dip your brush in your concealer and just take your time. Define that part. So now we're through with the parts, and yeah, now we're going in with our mousse to define that part even more, and also to get rid of any flyaways that might be there. Wow, melts. Like, this lace closure is melted, period. This is coming from my scalp. And I'm just going over with my hot comb again, just to make that mousse and everything that I just did to the part and all of that, just to come together and lay even flatter. Yeah, and that's it. The hair is ready.